welcome back. Now I'm trying to look at the number plate lights. One of the light was broken. The system, or keep it in the right place, was broken off. So that was okay to understand. But I have no number plate light. And I bought this two of those in LEDs. I was thinking that maybe that will fix my problem. But still, I have no number plate lights. No, I'm supposed to have lights. It's nothing. So that's what I'm starting with. I was also thinking to put up a backup camera under here. So we're going to look at that too. To see ordinary lights, LED, one frame. This one I ordered first. Need to screw it in. It's not perfect for this. This one I ordered next. It's just ordinary bulb. Plus it have the camera. So now I'm thinking to install this one. This one I can just put away for something else. Then both connectors are looking very bad, so I have to see if I can clean them up a little and see if it helped me. Since we can see it's rusty up here, and I didn't have any rust remover things right here now, but I have a label off to take away printed labels. This thing is made of lemon acid. And why lemon acid? Because lemon acid eat rust. This is not the strongest, but I'm going to find some rust protection things to put in here, but for the moment just taking up a little and putting on more. Now these connectors are completely filled up in green garbage, so I have to try to clean out those. See, that's so bad. I'll put up a LED there, and the camera part is there. But the problem, I need to use the heat gun to glue them in because of the rust around the holes. The rust are so taking so much of the parts around that I just have to glue it up so it stuck. So I have to see if I find my glue gun again. Then I put on. I have to heat glue this, but I can't find my heat gun. This one is locked up by this plate, and here is just an ordinary bulb. This is LED. So I could end up, let us say that I couldn't have two different, and then I have to change out the other one and get a new complete set up there. That would be kind of stupid, but okay. Of course it's much nicer if I have two of the same. at least. Now I have number plate light again. And my number plate is not perfectly straight. I'm just waiting a little for if I change to a LED bulb in one of the bulbs there. But it's very simple to put in the backside, so I'm just going to do it now so you can see it. Actually work as a locker too. Then it's one screw. One screw behind here. There. In there. 2 plates. They look the same. Just there. 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 Then I have this there. So now I'm just needing to find my heat gun, and one other night when I have time I have to put in the powers and things like that. I think I have another 7-inch 12 voltage LCD monitor somewhere, so I'm going to check it with that. So that's what's going to happen on evening later. Now I'm going to do this, but at least now I have number plate lights again, so I come a long way just with fixing that. It was very bad with the rust in the back of these cars, but I hear many people talk about it, so yeah, thank you for coming by. Look at this investigation, how to find what the number plate light and putting in the camera. So we come back with more in the next video. Thank you. Please come back. Please subscribe to the channel and put a like if you think it was okay.